This short video will take you through how to split a requisition across more than one cost code on Agresso. In some situations, a product or service will need to have the total cost split across more than one cost code. Firstly, to understand how to raise a requisition, the Raising a Requisition Not Through Marketplace video should be viewed. Please note, split payments cannot be made on orders made through Marketplace. Firstly, raise your requisition request as normal. Prior to clicking the Save, the cost will need to be split. To do this, tick the box adjacent to the requisition line that you would like to split the cost for. In the GL Analysis field at the bottom of the screen, click Split Row. You will need to click this button for each split row that you would like to enter. For example, if it is a three-way split, then the Split Row button will need to be clicked twice to add 2 additional lines on top of the original that is automatically created. An additional row for the selected product will be displayed in the GL Analysis field. In the Cost C field for one of the rows, enter the cost code that you would like to split the payment with. The other row should remain as the cost center that you have already raised the requisition through. No data is required to be entered in the Project field. Enter the relevant percentage splits in the Percentage field for each row. For example, if it is 80% is being paid by one cost code and 20% by the other, you'll need to enter 80 and 20 in the relevant fields. You will notice that once the percentages are entered, the relevant cost for each cost code will be automatically calculated for each line. Once you have successfully split your payments and you have checked that these are correct, click Save. A pop-up box will be displayed that will provide the requisition number for the order. This will be a 9-digit code that will always start with 800. Agresso will then pass the requisition through the financial approval process, where the relevant approvers based on the financial approval limits for each cost code will be emailed to advise that a requisition approval is waiting. For a copy of the financial approval limits, refer to HNet. You have now successfully split a requisition across multiple cost codes on Agresso.